Well, there are many ways in which the EU can become a bigger and better leader in tackling global challenges through research and innovation. Before I go into more technical issues, I would say the EU needs to become more agile. It is important to understand how reality changes, and the EU needs to be able to adapt very quickly, which means we need more flexible funding for research and innovation. Priorities change very quickly. Deciding today what's going to be the challenge for research and innovation in 2034 is very complicated. So we need a brain that continuously thinks about what should be done now. We need, of course, also stability in research funding, so a commitment to continuing the funding of research. But there's more. Research and innovation are basically producing global public goods. And with global public goods, the best thing you can do is collaborating. So the EU should become a leader, but also a better partner. It means launching global multi-stakeholder research and innovation collaborations on things like brain health, on things like mental health, on things like women's health, on many challenges on the health side, on the technical side, such as artificial intelligence, where the fact that the US is basically withdrawing from science at the moment leaves an enormous gap that the EU needs to fill with leadership and the ability to orchestrate different players. And we need to also admit that we don't have all the solutions, meaning other countries have very good researchers, very good specializations. Other parts of the world have different stances and angles on how we should solve problems. And I think the EU should listen to all these voices, bring together public and private players, organize public-private partnerships in order to achieve concrete results within a given time frame on the biggest and most daunting challenges of today.